Getting Joe back on the road.
Get high here, they are cold.
We're back.
We're back and better than
Back
ever.
again. We're back again.
I'm back and better
Tell
than
your friends.
ever. Tell all your friends. Woo!
Hello. We don't even have an intro. Did you not realize that we both just started doing that?
Okay, it's recording.
Okay.
Is that one recording too?
Yes.
Okay.
Hey, it's Liam. Wait.
Hey guys, it's Liam.
And Becca.
And today we're gonna try snacks from
Panama.
Our first snack that we're gonna try today is Joy's Mani. Not exactly sure, but it looks like something like chocolatey, maybe like...
Let's read the description.
Like
Carmelo suave con mani carbonato con dulce
sabor chocolate.
Caramel nug. It literally has it in
think
English.
it's like
It literally has it in English.
I think it's like a crunch bar.
Caramel nougat with peanuts covered with chocolate flavor. We're literally so dumb. We're like, caramel nougat.
¿Cómo estás? Sí,
¿Cómo
señor.
está, mi amor, Rebecca?
Okay, so the packaging is quite nice.
So we're gonna rip it down
We're gonna
the
rip
center.
it directly down the center. You see right here, you do this and you just go. Oh,
Wow, how satisfying.
yum. Do you see
It's
that?
a turd. It literally is.
You see your first bite?
Mmm.
Oh, wait, I don't know how I feel about it.
It tastes like a Snickers or something.
Wait, what?
Doesn't it?
It's literally like a old Snickers.
But I kind of like it.
I feel like it's a Snickers that was like in my grandma's cabinet for like 2 years. Let's
So
do
weird.
like out of a 10.
Okay.
So like, I'd probably give it a 6.2 out of 10.
Do you really have to be that complicated? I'll give it a 6.298735.
Good job.
I'll give it a 7.
Okay.
0.1437547.
Next snacks.
Next, I need a drink.
Dude, let's wash
We
our
need to
palate.
cleanse our palate.
Cleanse
Yeah.
our palate.
We need like ginger. Legit sounded like a rocket ship was like taking off it.
Time for got a blast for a new one.
Give it to me. Give it to me good. I want to try this.
Okay.
This is tamarindo.
Tamarind.
I think tamarind's like a fruit or something that they have. Like it looks like that.
That looks like a
I was
turd.
trying to find like other tamarind candy, but I
That looks
couldn't.
like a turd.
So smell it.
It smelled like
It smells like a porta potty.
it smelled kind of bruni, kind of not.
Like a porta potty.
Like a bruni border body. Bruni.
There you go.
I'm not gonna close up on this one. I don't know how I feel about this.
It's not that. I probably wouldn't like eat that again though.
Okay.
So, that's probably like 3,
Yeah,
maybe a 2.
Because
Because I probably would not
I
eat
give
that
it like
again.
a 2.5, maybe a 2.6.
Dude.
Okay.
Cleanse.
Cleanse.
I don't remember which one it was mine.
Me neither, but we call slurpy slurpy. Okay, bunny.
That's why I did it too. Okay. What are these? I want
I don't know. I feel like it's gonna be like bubble gum.
gum, yeah.
So it's Barlet.
Barlet.
It kind of looks like, I don't know, like those old type of like.
Yeah, it's like an American flag. That's kind of ironic because
It's
like,
like-
I didn't get this in America.
It's intriguing though. It's
Oh,
all.
that's cool.
Gay pride.
Maybe it's like Laffy
Wink.
Taffy. Okay, thanks for waiting for me. It's gum. Wait, no, it's not.
I can't tell.
Wait.
It's like gum. It tastes like gum, but it's like taffy.
I think it's chocolate good. It's not like forming into gum. Yeah, I just swallowed it. We're just gonna call it taffy. This is weird because it literally tastes like gum.
Yeah,
like, I don't feel like I'm supposed to be
It tastes like the
swallowing
bazooka gum. I would give this, honestly, because I kind of like the flavor of gum,
I like it.
I would honestly probably give this like an 8.
Me too. I'll go with 8. It's good.
Let's try these ones.
Ooh.
The
I'm scared.
Eucalypto Original.
This is good.
I think, yeah. Isn't that like, it smells like the stuff you like rub on your body, isn't
Yeah.
Isn't that what eucalyptus
This is weird. Why would you make it into candy?
It's like a gumdrop thingy.
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh my god.
Wait.
That tastes just like the Bengay stuff you rub on you.
It tastes like a cough drop. Doesn't it? Like, it gives you that, like, feeling. Like, in your nose. Like, it goes up your nose. This is so weird.
But you know, like the Bengay stuff you rub on like sore muscles. That's literally like, but like in candy.
It's kind of good though. Like,
I don't know.
maybe if you like had like a stuffed nose or something.
Maybe if I was sick, yeah. I'd give that a.
Because it definitely is giving off like a corn, not like a corn, a cough drop. Like,
yeah. I'd give it a 2. I'm gonna give that a solid 2.
I'll give it like a 3. Because I can see myself eating the rest of those, like, just because it made my nose feel cold. Let's try these.
Okay.
Because we keep trying, like, sweet stuff.
Ooh.
Chicharrones.
Con
I feel like these are going to be
limón.
good.
I feel like they're gonna be like weirdly good.
Hopefully they're, like,
You know
spicy.
those like chip thingies that you get at Taco Bell that are like.
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
I feel like they're gonna have like that texture.
That's what it
But they're
looks
gonna be like lime flavored.
Mmm.
Boy!
They smell good.
Boy!
They are. They're like pork rinds.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
These are so good.
Hell yeah. It almost tastes like...
They're like sour. That's so weird because they're chips. Like,
I want to eat the whole damn bag.
these literally are like the Taco Bell things.
Okay, I would honestly... I would give this like a 9.5 out of 10. Like, I would buy these again. I would go to the store just to buy these.
We have to save them and eat them later. Yeah.
Okay. Let's try these. Kinder chocolate.
I'm excited because it's like milk. Like there's like milk in there.
I know, I don't get it.
Oh,
They're so cute. Oh my goodness. They literally like remind me of like Kit
got, like, a
Kats.
little bit melted though.
I feel like it's better if it's melted. Okay. It literally like looks like a Kit Kat. Let's do this. It's like a chocolate bunny. Like literally a chocolate bunny.
I like the white stuff's good.
I feel like if I wanted this again, I'd just buy like a chocolate egg.
Yeah. They
It's
kind of
something
like
special.
it kind of reminds me of like the like what are those like Easter like it's like an egg and then there's the white stuff in the middle.
Yeah. That's
it
what
tastes like that kind of, but like
you buy
solid.
them in like at like Barnes and Noble or something.
Yeah, what are they called? I don't remember what they're
I
called.
don't know. I feel like they're only for Easter though.
These are like little Oreo type things.
Chocolate and
They're
strawberry.
like they have lions on them. Yeah, so there's
A lion.
Fresca and then there's like chocolate and vanilla mixed together. Here.
It literally is like, I feel like it's like an English like Oreo.
Yeah, like a knockoff Oreo.
Yeah.
Kind of looks like a knockoff Oreo.
I feel like I need milk for 'em.
I know. I thought there was gonna be like chocolate like icing stuff in there too, but it's only vanilla.
Like these would be really really good if you just dipped them in milk.
Mm-hmm.
I would rate that like a 5,
I
6.
forgot about rating stuff. Did we rate that?
I don't
The
know.
Kinder thing?
We'll
I'll
just
rate
rate
that,
that
like,
as 0. Because
I'll
I
rate it,
could
like,
get
a
it the same
6.
thing somewhere else.
Yeah. I hate when that happens. You know that one. Are they all like that? What the heck? They're all like that one.
Ooh.
There's other
It has
ones?
like the really like strong fake strawberry smell.
Mm-hmm.
Strawberry like protein shake.
Mm-hmm.
I like it.
Me too.
I like it better than the chocolate, but I'm not
Me
gonna do it.
Okay. Gummy.
Gummy, 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 gummy.
I have no idea like what these are supposed to be.
Let's hope they're not drugs.
Honestly. You know what? They might be. Because when I like asked her for them, she put 1 in the bag. And then she was like, good? And I said, 10.
She said, ooh, you trying to get messed up tonight? It smells like a butt. Like I'm like
It literally does.
like when someone gets off a couch and you look smell it.
Yeah, do you do that?
Yeah.
Here, get off the couch. I'll smell like. Oh my goodness. It doesn't smell the same.
I thought you were gonna be like, it really smells
It
the
literally
same.
does.
Okay, let's go. Okay.
It's like a marshmallow.
No, I literally tried making marshmallows when I was younger, and this is exactly what it tasted like. And the same
flavoring
texture.
in it?
Mhm.
I want another one.
Like, you know, like the vanilla extract? Like, you put in, like, strawberry extract. And that's literally what this tastes like.
Do you want another one? I like them.
I'm not trying to overdose. I would probably rate that, like, a solid 7. What about you?
Yeah. Okay, we can try these candies, then we can try the drink. Okay, so we have all these ones. There's this. This is like a doobly. I have no clue what it is. These were in our hotel. This one's apple. This one is papaya. This one's good. I've actually tried that one. That one's good. Hey, okay. Not papaya. That's passion fruit. So we were walking like we did like these VBS like vacation Bible school things at like some of the churches that we were like helping at. And one time we walked like around this neighborhood like at one of the churches and we were like inviting kids to VBS. In the group that I was in, we were walking around and then we found a passion fruit tree. And there was like we like ate passion fruits and it was so good.
That's awesome.
It was so good. Like
I wish we just had like random fruits.
I know. There was avocados. There was mangoes. We ate mangoes too.
Apples.
We ate mangoes too.
literally
Yeah, I know.
apples
And like
and corn.
raspberries.
And
Corn.
I could honestly eat these all day.
I'm not gonna want to eat the whole thing though. Oh, the coconut one's pretty good. It's not really like. I don't know. They kind of like have that like. There's not like that much flavor. You know what I mean? Like when like hard candies like do that. Like it's not like a Jolly Rancher.
But like it's kind of nice. Like it's like a grandma's candy. I like it honestly.
I would like think that one's better than this one though. So we have these 2 candies. These are the Doubles.
Are they the same flavor?
I think so.
Okay.
Well, look at yours. Mine says manzana y
Limon.
verde.
Yeah, it's
Manzana a
lemon.
verde.
Lemon,
So,
I think.
apple and lemon, right?
Sure.
I think. It's like,
Oh.
oh cool.
Why is this one different than that?
Huh?
Are they different brands?
And these?
Yeah.
I think it's just a different kind of candy. It's the same brand though.
I don't know if I like it or not.
I like it. It's better than like, at least the one I had of those. Like there's more like flavor in it, you know?